Trigonometry is a major portion of what architects need to use to be able to make what all those amazing structures in their minds become realities.
How does trig apply to architecture?
Trig is used in architecture in many ways, from calculating if the buildings will hold to actually putting together the building.
Hello. Wouldn't you like to live in a house that has amazing architecture, such as this? I mean, look at this. The archway right here, just magnificent. The angles, the slope of the roof, perfect for weather. That way, all the weather that falls onto your roof, the rain, the snow, the ice, the hail, will just roll off and it will not gather and cause your roof to break. These pillars, not only do they add a great look to the room and add to the style of the decor, they also add support to the walls.
That's really good.
The equation is cosine 55 equals 6.5 over x because cosine is opposite over hypotenuse. Then divide both sides by x and get x times cosine 55 equals 6.5. Divide both sides by cosine 55 and get x equals 6.5 over cosine 55. X equals 11.332.
How do the designers have to take trig into consideration when laying out a building plan?
Designers have to take many things into account. They have to take in the supporting beams and walls that support the house. They need to measure and calculate how everything will fare in a storm or disaster.
Alright, so how do these stairs work? Is there any design to it, or is it just for looks and appeal?
Well, the way the architecture designed these stairs, its cylindrical pattern go upwards allows that there's less space being used, so there's more space to add to the room, to the flow of the house. And also, it adds a nice look, as it's also designed so you could have something like a plant right there in the center going up. So if you are a fan of tall plants, you could all go up all the way and add decorations to it during holiday times. And the way each step is made, it's wide enough to help support people who are somewhat disabled, where they would have issues climbing normal staircases.
Okay.
Here is a better image of how the stairs in this wonderful home look.
The equation is cosine 15 equals to 2 over x because with cosine you do opposite over hypotenuse. Then to get rid of x, divide both sides by x, which leaves you with x times cosine 15 equals 2. Then divide both sides by cosine 15, which leaves you with x equals 2 over cosine 15. Then divide 2 over cosine 15, and you get x equals 2.0706.
How do the materials and their placements help create a stronger building?
Tools like machines use trigonometry to carry heavier materials through leverage and are used to hold and connect parts of buildings together. The materials used and placement contribute to the sturdiness of the building, allowing it to stand the test of time.
So how does that sunroof work?
Oh, well, the sunroof, we have it at a certain angle where throughout most of the day, when the sun hits it, it'll add as much light as it can right here.
Oh.
So on really bright days, it'll be nice because it'll be nice and bright right here, and there won't be as much need to turn on the light.
Oh, so
Help save energy.
Oh, okay.
Many other parts of the architecture of a house use trig. For example, the roof with a triangular shape is designed to keep out the weather so water and snow won't build up. With different sized houses and different sized roofs, different layouts are needed. The pillars that are used to keep the house standing also use trig, as they create a triangle due to how they are perpendicular to the ground, supporting the roof and the frame of the house.
All in all, trigonometry is very important in our daily lives, even if we don't know it. It is a necessity for architects and for building a strong house. Thanks for watching.